have ZTE Nubia Z7 Max, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings right here. Afterwards, you need to scroll down to choose about device. Here you need to find build number, and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer. So here you can choose more settings, and here you can find developer options. As you can see, this is the full list of available developer features that you can use. For example, here you can enable USB debugging by using that switcher. Tap OK. You can select debug app, you can verify apps over USB. You can also, for example, change the transition animation scale right here and use other developer features. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.